me the truth, I know you did, I will get you, sure it's justice. Tell me the truth, I know you did, I will get you, sure it's justice. Stop those who get out of the law, stop those who get out of the law. Justice, alive, alive, alive.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, I want to teach you about the expository text. Before that, you must know what is the definition from expository text, what is the linked feature, what is the structure, and what is the example from the expository text. First, you must know what is the definition. Definition from expository text is: expository text is non-fiction text. It means to inform, analyze, explain, or give additional detail about the topic. Some types of expository text include cause and effect writing, literary analysis, compare and contrast, and report writing. When you write an expository essay, you are explaining something to your audience. It is different from technical writing, which explains how to do or use a product. Expository writing is also different from argumentative writing, which is meant to convince the audience to agree with the writer's perspective. News articles are a good example of expository writing, as are any pieces of the focus on the 5 W's: age, who, what, where, when, why, and how. So, the purpose from expository text is to inform the reader about the topic that writer write. Next, we're gonna talk about the type of expository essay. Expository essay has 5 types. It is divided into 5 major categories. The first major is cause or effect essay. A cause and effect essay finds out the cause of something and then its effect on something else. For example, the best title for this essay like the effect of social media. We're gonna talk about the some causes of social media and effects after. And the second major is comparison essay. The comparison essay makes comparison and contrast between two things. Things essay will talk about differences and similarities about the topic being discussed. For example, the topic for this essay like Indonesian versus Malaysia education system. This essay will discuss the difference and similarities between the education system of Indonesia and Malaysia. Descriptive essay describes something, some place, some experience, or some situation through sensory information. The goal of this essay is to provide readers with enough detailed description for them to be able to picture or imagine the chosen topic. For example, the topic we're gonna discuss for this essay like explaining the things you love about your favorite sport. And a problem or solution essay present a problem and its solution for reader. For example, one of the topic for this essay like marijuana addiction. Through this problem or solution essay, you will present the problem or marijuana addiction. After that, not only present the problem but also you try to make the reader care about this problem. Finally, you will give some solution to fix the problem with clearly reason to understand for the reader, of course. The last one is sequence or process essay. A process essay explain or show a process of making or doing something. The process essay, also known as the how-to essay, is commonly written for people or companies that need tutorial or a set of instructional steps. For example, a suitable ideas for this essay would be how to decrease your social media usage. Your process essay will tell the reader about the steps or ways or even procedures to reduce the use of the social media. Alright, after we know about definition, purpose, and types of expository essay, the next step is how to construct an expository essay. Right? Well, I'll explain to you about the structure of expository essay. Expository essay has introduction, body, and conclusion. First, introduction. In this part, you have to start with a hook to get your reader's attention. You will also provide the backgrounds for the topic. And do not forget to state your thesis statement with the main ideas of the essay to tell the reader what the essay will be about. And the second is body. Usually, there are 3 paragraphs of the body of expository essay. Each paragraph contains the main ideas that has been mentioned in the thesis statement. State your topic sentence clearly, then provide some supporting detail. Sentence to build your paragraph in your body essay. And the last one is conclusion. The last part, you will restate your thesis statement but in the other way. Do not introduce any new information here. You can also give your recommendation for the topic, depend on the type of the expository essay you make. Okay, have you already understand about the expository essay? We should have, right? Okay, to be better understand and master expository essay, I'll give you guys an example of expository essay. Through this example, we will discuss about the expository essay itself. Are we ready? Of course we are. The topic of this essay is TikTok for young people, and I'm gonna make a cause and effect essay. Let's start with the first paragraph, the introduction. TikTok is one of the social media applications that has been booming since 2019. That was introduced in 2017 by ByteDance, a Chinese multinational internet technology company headquartered from Beijing, China. Based on the TikTok daily basis data, almost 90% the user of TikTok is the young people. So how about the positive and negative from this application? As we can see, that is my hook. I use some facts based on statistic hook. Remember, this part, hook is important. The hook will attract the reader attention so they want to read. So make your hook carefully. Next, we have some background here, and do not forget the problem or problems. By this background and problems, I'll try to make the reader care about the problem. Last, it is closed with the thesis statement. My thesis statement contains the main idea for the next paragraph. Next, the body essay. I have two paragraphs, the positive and negative from TikTok for young people. The positive side is the creative young people can make them famous. Many people always use this application to make their will be a celebrity or their videos viral on TikTok. If they make a unique video, they can get many likes from TikTok users and their video will be viral. Of course, they are exactly famous and get several fans from their TikTok account. The first idea is in the second paragraph. The topic sentence is the positive effect from TikTok. After I write the topic sentence, I also make some supporting sentence to support my topic sentence. In the third paragraph, I talk about the negative effect from TikTok. On the other hand, this application has negative effect when the young people use this application without remember their time. For example, young people can be addicted because this application. They can do the waste time to scroll down and up the video on this application. Then they do not do anything except playing and watching TikTok. As a result, young people will be lazy because watching the video all of the day. And my topic sentence is the negative effect when using TikTok. Also, I have supporting sentence as a major details and another minor detail. Finally, we got to the last part of this essay, the conclusion. After you know the negative and positive effect from TikTok, you can know how the effect from TikTok for young people. They can be famous or addicts. In this case, it depends on you. Remember to restate your thesis statement but in different way. You can see I use different words to state my thesis statement. Of course, even though I use different words, I still has the same meaning. You can also see I do not add any new information in this paragraph. Last, I give some recommendation for the reader. Then, for the link feature, you must use present tense and several conjunction that occurs, cause and effect, comparison and contrast, etc. for your essay. Well, I think that's all for me. I hope you can learn something in this video. Thank you and see you.